Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with PayPal step by step clearly. Open your PayPal account and log in. Navigate to the wallet section on your dashboard. Look for the add funds option if you wish to budget with added money. Select the bank account or card you wish to use for funding. Enter the amount you want to add to your PayPal balance. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to reflect in your account. Once you have funds in your account, go to the Activity tab. Here, you can review your recent transactions and spending patterns. To create a budget, decide on a time frame, such as weekly or monthly. Determine your total income and set a limit for your discretionary spending. Use the Send Money feature to budget for specific categories, like groceries or entertainment. Allocate a specific amount for each category based on your spending habits. If you spend from a particular category, document it in your budgeting tool of choice. Consider setting reminders for payment due dates to avoid late fees. Regularly review your account activity and adjust your budget as needed. Using the Reports feature can help analyze your spending trends. Stay disciplined with your spending to ensure you adhere to your budget. Adjust your budget as necessary based on unexpected expenses or income changes. Utilizing PayPal's features allows for easy tracking and management of your financial plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.